Captain, look what I can do. Yes, look what I can do. That's good. See? Now you do it. This is called modeling. You do it first, or sometimes I used to use Sister Rose when he was a baby, and then I'd give her a peanut. That's good. Now, can you do that? Oh, yes. Okay, that's it. Now let's put it here. That's very good. Now I'm just going to barely put it on so he doesn't have to work too hard to get it off. Okay. Now take it off. Take it off. Captain, take it off. Look. See? That's it. Now, let me put it. Now, take it off. Not you, Sammy. Captain, pay attention. Captain, can you take it off? Captain. What, you don't want to learn any more today? You're already smart enough? Look, Captain, what I've got. Look. Okay, now let me have it. That's good. Now, put the top back on. Now, can you take the top off? Oh, what a good boy. What a good boy, yes. Can you take the top off? Captain, take it off. Take it off. Captain, pay attention. Whoops, take it off. Here. Oh, look. Yes. Okay, now. Take it off. That was good. You were doing such a good. What a good boy. Yes, huh? Yes. Oh, that's good. Oh, what a good boy. Now, people are going to say, teach him to put it back on, but they don't know that you are a taker off, not a putter on. Huh? Okay. One more time. One more time. Here we go. Take it off. Oh.